In a world buzzing with stimuli, some individuals experience life with heightened sensitivity. These are the highly sensitive people, or HSPs, representing about 15 to 20% of the population. They possess a unique nervous system, finely tuned to perceive and process information more deeply. This isn't a disorder or a flaw, it's a natural temperament trait. HSPs are like finely tuned instruments, picking up subtleties that others might miss. They notice subtle changes in their environment, from the faintest scent to the slightest shift in someone's tone. This sensitivity extends to their emotional landscape as well. HSPs feel emotions intensely and deeply, both their own and those of others. While this might seem overwhelming at times, it also fosters empathy and compassion. Imagine being at a bustling party. While some revel in the energy, an HSP might feel overwhelmed by the noise, the lights, and the sheer number of people. They might seek refuge in a quieter corner, needing time to process the sensory overload. This is a glimpse into the world of an HSP. HSPs experience the world through a richer sensory lens. Sounds, sights, smells, tastes, and textures can be perceived with greater intensity. This heightened awareness comes with both advantages and challenges. On the one hand, HSPs can find immense pleasure in subtle details. A beautiful sunset, a piece of art, or a moving piece of music can evoke profound emotions. They notice the nuanced flavors in food and the subtle shifts in light and shadow. However, this sensitivity can also lead to sensory overload. Crowded places, loud noises, and strong scents can be overwhelming and draining. HSPs might find themselves needing to retreat to quiet spaces to regain their equilibrium.
Think of it like having a higher volume knob for your senses. While this allows for greater appreciation of beauty, it also means that everyday stimuli can feel amplified.
Beyond sensory perception, HSPs are also highly attuned to their emotional world. They experience emotions with a depth and intensity that can be both a gift and a challenge. Empathy, compassion, and understanding flow naturally to HSPs. They deeply feel the emotions of others, often as if they were their own. This makes them incredibly caring friends, partners, and family members. However, this emotional depth can also make them more susceptible to feeling overwhelmed by negativity. Stressful situations, conflict, and criticism can take a toll on their well-being.
Imagine a friend sharing a story of heartbreak. While others might offer words of comfort, an HSP might genuinely feel the pain and sadness as if it were their own. This deep empathy is a testament to their compassionate hearts.
Social interactions can be a mixed bag for HSPs. Their sensitivity allows them to be incredibly perceptive and attuned to the nuances of social dynamics. They pick up on subtle cues like body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions. This makes them excellent listeners and friends. People often feel seen and understood by HSPs, who offer a safe space for sharing thoughts and feelings. Their empathy and compassion create a strong sense of connection. However, HSPs can also feel overwhelmed in social situations, especially large gatherings or environments with a lot of stimulation. They might need more time to recharge after social events compared to their less sensitive counterparts.
Imagine being at a networking event. While some thrive on meeting new people, an HSP might feel drained by the constant need for small talk and social interaction. They might prefer smaller, more intimate gatherings where they can connect with others on a deeper level.
Section 5, Creativity and Intuition. Gifts of sensitivity. Sensitivity isn't just about feeling things more deeply, it's also about enhanced perception and insight.
HSPs often possess a rich inner world and a natural inclination towards creativity. Our heightened awareness of our surroundings and our ability to process information deeply make us keen observers of the world.
This translates into a unique ability to see patterns, make connections, and find beauty in unexpected places. Many HSPs find solace in expression in creative outlets like writing, painting, music, or spending time in nature.
These pursuits allow us to process our emotions, connect with our inner world, and share our unique perspective with the world.
Think of artists, writers, and musicians who move us with their work. Many of them possess a heightened sensitivity that allows them to tap into the depths of human emotion and experience. Section 6. Thriving as an HSP Self-Care Strategies. Living as an HSP in a world that often values extroversion and busyness can be challenging. However, understanding and embracing one's sensitive nature is the key to thriving.
Here are some practical strategies for HSPs. Create quiet time. Set aside time each day for solitude and quiet reflection. This could involve reading, meditating, spending time in nature, or simply enjoying a few moments of peace.
Set boundaries. Learn to say no to social engagements or activities that feel overwhelming. It's okay to prioritize your well-being and create healthy boundaries.
Engage in sensory-friendly activities. Seek out activities that bring you joy and help you feel grounded, such as spending time in nature, listening to calming music, or practicing gentle yoga.
Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's an essential part of managing sensitivity and living a fulfilling life. Section 7. Relationships nurturing connection. HSPs bring a unique depth and sensitivity to their relationships. Their ability to empathize, listen attentively, and offer unwavering support makes them incredible partners, friends, and family members.
However, it's crucial for HSPs to partner with individuals who understand and appreciate their sensitive nature. Open communication is key. Sharing your needs and explaining how certain situations or stimuli affect you can help your loved ones understand and support you better.
In relationships, it's about finding that balance, embracing the beauty of sensitivity, while also creating a space where both partners feel seen, heard, and understood. Section 8. Conclusion. Embracing sensitivity's power. Being an HSP isn't about being fragile or weak. It's about experiencing the world with a depth and richness that others might miss. It's about feeling things deeply, connecting with empathy, and finding beauty in the subtle nuances of life. Embrace your sensitivity as the gift that it is. Nurture it with self-care, surround yourself with understanding individuals, and use your unique abilities to make a positive impact on the world. The world needs your sensitivity, your compassion, and your ability to see the world through a different lens.